Okay, folks, here we are. We're at Seq.out first tee. First I want to say I want to make sure all your tees are equipped. You got to make sure your tees are equipped. And also, if you can afford them, the $20,000 balls, they're fluorescent green. They're the best ones to use because they put the backspin on it, and also a 5-yard distance for you guys with the shorter stats. I just want to also say I'm at stats 1,284 on this, so I'm going to show you a couple of variations you can have if you can't reach the holes for certain shots. But if you can't afford those $20,000 balls, just use the red and white stripe balls or the blue and white stripe balls. They're $2,000 for 50 of them, I believe. So just use them. They put the 5-yard backspin on. They're awesome. Okay, here we go. On the first hole, what you want to do is go to skill shot. You want to do fade shot. Even though it looks like we could go straight, yeah, that's awesome and all, but you can hit that tree with the wind and all that. We only have 2 mile/hour wind in practice, so that kind of sucks. But I'm going to show you different variations. So here's your fade shot. This is what you want to do on this hole all the time. You want to zoom in. Now, since we only have a 2 mile/hour wind, you see how that set me up right there? So we're going to want to come to about probably like right here. A little too far. Alright, so right here should put me right on the green for an eagle. You want to go line to line. It's a little bit too much. Too less. It has to be perfect. Put it 2 miles/hour up the thing. And there we go, it bounced right by the hole. Now, if the pin was closer, you'd be further away, but at least you're on the green. Then what we'll do is shoot in for an eagle. You want to look from the left to right breaks. You also want to look at the ball lie, and plus it's going uphill one. So it says 0.7 up. It's actually probably a 0.8 up. But this ain't up too much like some holes are, like on sands and stuff like that. So I'm just going to stay about right here. Go about right there. Too short. It's very tough to get this to get an eagle on this hole. But anyways, we're going for one for a birdie. And that's it. Thank you.